What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. This is episode 5 now. Woo! Episode 5? Episode 5. It is a Friday and I'm pretty damn tired. Had a pretty heavy week, but I'm excited for tonight because on Friday night I run my motion class, which is my favorite class to run just because it's light on the body and it's really fun and creative. In my motion class, I like to take movements from different practices such as capoeira, free running, parkour, gymnastics, acrobatics, breakdancing, and just mix them all together, come up with some nice fun flows and structure the class in a way where your average Joe can rock up and have fun with it. So today my goal is to come up with a flow to teach in tonight's class, and I want to involve you guys in on the process. So step 1 in designing a motion class for me is to get some inspiration. Throughout the week, if I see a clip on Instagram which I like, I save it and then I have a look back on it. So the clip that I'm looking at first by Nico involves this really cool sort of half cartwheel into what looks like a front sweep and then a one-handed, it's sort of like a Makako, sort of like a one-handed cartwheel. So I'm gonna play around with that. So the next combo by Nico is really cool. I'm a massive fan of it. It has a backward sweep. I love a good backward sweep. Big fan of that. Backward sweep into what looks like a reverse coffee grinder. And then he does this like Michael Jackson worm dive and stands back up. It's really cool. I really like this combo because he moves in one way and then he reverses and goes the other way, which I think is really interesting. It's a really cool concept in tricking and in acrobatics, and it just adds this dynamic to the combo. So I'm gonna try this one now. So I watched the clip a few times and he does a step back before he goes into the dive, and I think that's the key. I really like that combo. I think it might be a bit too advanced, but I definitely like the elements of it. So we'll move on to the next clip. This is by Karen.avi or Karen.avi. This one has a bit of a back mobility air bridge, which looks really cool. I'm not sure if I can do it, but let's give it a try. So it looks like that she gets into this from a bear crawl, which is a move that we do a lot as a warm-up. Crawling, and then this arm, I think she said under. Oh, geez, I can already tell it's going to be hard. Good. So it looks like she doesn't step forwards, but she steps backwards. So we'll give that a try. Backwards like that. Okay, that seems to be a little bit easier, but she does it nice and floaty, and I feel like I'm really jumping up into it. So let's keep practicing. I think I'm doing it, but it feels really stiff. Let's have a look. Yeah, wow, this is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Damn it, she makes it look so easy. I think the best way to get into it is to actually just learn how to do a bridge rotation. So I'm gonna try doing that. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's doable. This wall bridge reminds me of this other flow that I saw a few weeks back. I think his handle is Soft Acro Aaron. I think I'll double check and I'll put the link up. But he did this really cool flow involving a wall rotation, one-handed, with like a cool little swing through. So I'm gonna play around with that today as well. Alright, so basically from now, I'm just going to play around, just practicing different flows, different connections. Last week we had a nice little flow, it was sort of b-boy breakdancing inspired, and it looked like this, if I can remember it. That. So physically it wasn't too difficult, but it was more about understanding the flow and the change of direction. So something like that will be perfect. So I'm just going to play around and we'll see what I can come up with. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with the combo so far, and now the process is that once I've worked out my combo, I can reverse engineer it and come up with some movements which will help activate the muscles and warm us up in the appropriate way so that we can flow nicely from start to finish. So I'll show you what I've come up with so far with the lesson. This lesson will be splitting it into two halves. The first half will be focusing on opening up our back and our shoulders and getting into that bridge rotation. And then the second half of the class will just be focusing on the combo. So here's where we can have a bit more fun and it's a bit lighter on the body. Like that. And then once they get the hang of it, we can piece everything together. Alright guys, it's 12:30 now. I'm all done with designing this motion class. I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm gonna grab some food and just chill out, and I'll see you guys during class. See ya. That is the goal. As smoothly as you can. Yeah, so if you want to jump into it, you still need to land on your knees. But that's where you have to lower yourself.